come out and there's just birds everywhere right by the mixer, as you can see. Well done, mate. Oh look, he's got away safe. No, sorry mate, so you're right. Sorry. He looks okay, he's sort of licking his lips. Yeah. If I should put that down as in the catch.
No, that's not a catch.
It's quite big, I mean he was a good size. So Aaron's got 2 little ones, I've got 1 big enough, I think. And there's loads of them. Look at the birds, there's stacks of them. So we're going to keep going so we can catch some more bass. Great start to the day.